for you to highlight the importance of water on earth.
Now put your hands together for the students of class 5. They're going to present the play Everybody's Water. Sit back and enjoy the play.
Animals need water to survive. If there was no water, there would be no life on earth. Now we, the students of class 5, are going to present the play Everybody's Water to make water everybody's business. Scene 1. Woman wakes up to brush her teeth. She turns the tap on. Farmer goes to water his crops in the field. Oh my God! There's no water in the well. Now how can I water my crops? Woman goes to the hand pump to fill water. Oh, there's no water. Young man goes to the pot of drinking water.
Oh, the pot is empty. How can I drink water now?
Scene 2. Breaking news. Live and exclusive on Earth TV. All the world has disappeared from our planet. All the world bodies are finally facing extinction. To solve this problem, everybody must be living as a world here. For centuries now we are being misused by everybody. It is time to stop all supplies. If everybody continues to treat us badly, we will be finished. If only they had saved some of me, nobody would have suffered. I used to have so many shades of green and blue, but these days, the blue brings the face less, but filled with harmful smelling chemicals. All my fish are dying. Everybody wants to chase me out. Everybody wants to drink me out. I try to hide in little corners, but every time I hide, a new overwhelm comes and draws me out. I'm tired of this hide and seek because I lose all the time. I'm not a magic myself with an endless supply. Everybody needs us. Let's just have to understand each other. I know many people need us. Then where's the phone? Come to my shirt every time the sun sets. Everyone's like that. Instead, everybody happy feeling and songs.
Let's face it, if people didn't have water, would we be happy? If nobody used us, what use would we be? We need everybody just as much as everybody needs us.
Oh, everywhere. Not a drop to drink. Water, water everywhere. Everybody needs to think. Water, water nowhere. You're at the brink.
Order! Today in my course, the case of water resources was that everybody will be heard. Both parties should be given a chance to present their case. Who will begin?
My lord, we have to stop the supply to everybody because there just isn't enough of water. Objection, my lord. This is not my fault. This is somebody's fault.
Everybody says that it is somebody's fault. I'm sorry, but this time it is everybody's fault. So everybody needs to answer. Everybody, do you have anything to say in your defense?
Yes, my lord. We want to know how and why we are responsible for this problem. I would like to call upon Water Tap as the first witness.
I'm so tired of my life. Every day for every single thing, people say just turn the tap on. They leave me on longer than they need to, and my water goes down the drain.
We are getting wasted. We get mixed up with waste and feel more wasted. After so many of waste, we can't keep saying water for everybody. We had to stop.
Everybody, do you have anything to say?
Some of us do not realize what we have. We may have been wasting water, but we also know that water is indispensable.
Water, do you have anything more to say?
My lord, everybody lets me fall in the roads, flow uselessly and make a big mess. Even in cities, I could be used to water plants, wash vehicles, and is purified even to drink. Why can't people save some of the rain when I fall? I fall for them, not for me. We might have become a little indifferent, but we love the rain. Please don't stop raining for us. We will save rainwater and reuse it.
People have to wait and see. Water, any other problems?
Yes, we'll have to rethink the way we live our lives.
Good, write that down. I know I'm not watermelon, but I will not use story. All the water that is used is stored by me. If everybody uses too much of water, then I will not be able to recycle anymore. I can recycle a bit, but not as well. So I request you all to plant more trees and grow them healthy, so that I can be providing you all with water.
We will take note of that, my lord. I have something to say. You don't forget to recharge your phones, do you? You don't forget to eat and recharge your energy, do you? If I riot, you will all riot at me. I need to be recharged, and rainfall is not enough. Whenever it rains, you can try to give some of the rainwater to me, and I use it to recharge myself. Also, if throwing spare or wastewater, try throwing it on the ground, on the soil. Land here, there is Thank you. It's evident that everybody is guilty. We're grateful that you listened to us. We hope the situation doesn't arise again. We would like to feel clean, free and happy. We would like to see clean, green and pure planet. Everybody will be bored without you and we want to be there for you. Please treat us wisely and kindly. You have my word for it, Water. Thank you for trusting me. So let us all come and take a pledge to save water and say with me, save water, secure the future. Save water.